Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Do you love the taste of these noodles? Do you want to prepare this type of noodle in your house as dinner or as lunch? Honestly, if you are interested and you love the taste of this spaghetti, keep watching because I am going to show you how I prepare this delicious recipe. So without wasting your time, let us dive into the business of the day. So the first thing I added was a little amount of olive oil, but you can add any oil of your choice. I added a little amount of cooking butter and melted everything together. I then added my seafood shrimps. I added the shrimps into the oil, crushed garlic into it, and combined everything together. So I added a fresh thyme and fresh rosemary into it and added my onions and combined everything together. So I added my spices. In these spices contain parsley flakes, curry powder, paprika powder, seasoning powder, and some nutmeg powder. So after adding it, I give it a very good mix and added my blended pepper mixture and also give it a very good mix. So I allowed it to cook for 3 minutes and I added my ram minced meat and I crushed it with my spatula so that it will get the spices from the sauce. So after crushing it, I covered it to cook for like 5 minutes so as to get all the condiments in the sauce. So at this point, it has been cooking for like 5 minutes. I opened to tear it all together. Then I added my pepper tomato mixture with fish. I added it. I love the taste I get when I add this in my spaghetti. Then I now added in my spaghetti inside and give everything a very good mix so that the condiments and this in the sauce and everything will come together. Because I love adding some vegetables in my spaghetti, I added fresh spinach and gave everything a very good mix and brought it down from the cooker because I don't want the vegetable to be overcooked. So I just turned it and bring it down and it is done. Honestly, this tastes so good. It was so delicious. Please guys, if you've not subscribed, subscribe and click the bell notification to always notify you whenever we post any new video. Please, if you are going to try this recipe, please type in the comment section yes, and it tastes so yummy. You will love this recipe of a truth. See you guys in our next video. Bye.